Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Good morning, students.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Okay, before I start the class, I'll present the class. Osvaldo,
Yes, sir.
Seno,
Yes.
and who absent today?
No. Nobody.
Nobody. Okay. Do you remember the material last week?
No, sir.
Okay. And are you ready to start our material today?
Yes, I'm ready, sir.
Okay. Please look to the picture.
Yes.
What is it?
Children?
Yes, children. In this picture, children say hello, hello, salam. What do you think about this? Do you ever know about greetings?
Yes, greeting.
Yes, this is greetings. Next, okay. Greetings. Do you ever hear before?
No.
No. Okay. And now I will explain. Before we going to the example, I'll. Okay. Before I going to the.
The gaplek.
Sambut berada. Ya rakyat angan gua Mandarinnya. Nice. Okay, student. Before I going to the material, I'll give the agenda style. They are definition, types, purpose, and example. Right?
Right.
Okay. Greetings. This is the definition of greetings. Can you read for me, please?
Greeting is act of communication in which human being intentionally make their presence known to each other to show attention.
Right. Greeting is an act of communication in which human beings internationally make their presence known to each other to show attention. Next. A greeting can consist of an exchange of formal expression, kisses, handshakes, hug, and various gestures. The form of greetings is determined by social etiquette as well as by the relationship of the people. Okay. What is the picture?
Handshake salaman.
Okay. Can we
Salaman.
practice?
Okay.
Handshake.
Yes.
Like that. And this is hug. What is hug?
Pelukan.
Yes, pelukan. Hi bro, like that. Okay. Kisses. Kisses in Indonesian is similar to cipika-cipiki.
Yes.
Okay. There are two types of greetings. They are one formal and
Informal.
informal or non-formal. Okay. Do you know the difference of formal and informal greetings? What is the difference?
Perbedaannya, formal itu seperti yang lebih tua.
Yes.
Kalau informal teman sendiri.
Yes, right. Formal greeting is delivered for example teacher or parents or lecturer and more. So formal greeting must use polite language bahasa yang sopan in Indonesia. Okay. And the informal is reverse of formal greetings. Okay. Formal greetings, for example, you can use hello and then can you read for me?
Hello.
Yes. Then
Morning. How are you? Nice to meet you.
nah, there are formal greetings.
Yes.
Then informal greetings, for example,
Hi.
you read for me.
What's up? What's going on?
Yes.
What's happened? What's wrong?
From.
And more.
Okay, good. Okay, now we going to the example of formal greeting conversation. Now, I want to read for you. James, good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? Professor Austin, good morning, James. I am doing well. And you, James? I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Professor Austin. Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Professor Austin, don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your question. Okay. Do you understand about greetings today?
Yes.
Or please you can read your own self about this example of greetings conversation, and then I will give you a assessment to create the greetings. Can you read this? And after finish, I'll give you an assessment.
Oh, James. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? Professor Austin. Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you? James. I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Will you mind telling us about the process, please? Professor Austin. Hello, Emma. It is a pleasure to meet you. I am more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us, Professor Austin. Don't mention it. Hopefully, it will be able to answer your questions.
Okay, good. And can you find the material of greetings in this conversation? Like good morning, hello. Can you touch for me? Like what?
One. James, good morning.
Okay, good morning. And then, how are you doing?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, then?
Then Professor James, good morning.
Okay, good morning. Right. And then Professor Austin, hello.
Oh.
Okay. And then? Anyone else?
Professor Austin, don't mention it.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, no.
Yes. Good for you. What is the type of this greeting conversation? This is. I'll give you the example of conversation of greetings, and please.
Hi, ma'am.
What is the type of this greetings? Formal or informal?
Informal.
Why do you know if this use informal greetings conversation?
Ada kata-kata hi ma'am.
Hi ma'am. Okay. What's up? Then hey.
Oh, hi.
Okay, good. And are you ready for segment today?
Yes.
Okay. I will give you a paper and you can create the example of formal and non-formal greetings conversation. Okay. This is for you. Okay. Good, Osvaldo.
Okay.
This is non-formal and formal greetings. And can we practice of your creation?
Yeah.
Okay. They are Sona and Ronnie. Okay.
Okay.
I as Sona and you as Ronnie.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Ronnie.
Oh, hi, sons. What's up?
What's going on?
I and my friends, we will playing basketball.
Okay, good. This is non-formal conversation,
Okay.
right? And then for formal conversation, okay, good. So simple and practice. Okay, let's we practice together. I as students and you as a lecturer.
Okay.
Okay, you first.
Hello, students.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning too. Please come to my room tomorrow.
Right, sir. See you.
Okay.
Okay, good. And I'll give you A. Okay. I think enough for today, and I hope you understand this material. Don't forget to study hard at
Okay.
your home. Okay,
Okay.
enough. And see you, students.
See you. See you too, sir.
See you. Keep healthy. Thank you.
Turun.